This is Mr. Yakub. Today, he came to school riding his bike, and it was fun, right, Yakub? So I will be asking him some few questions about riding his bike to school, and then some few precautions that he exercised on his way here. So, Yakub, what is a zebra crossing in Yoruba? Isoda kete kete abila. Thank you very much. And when toba debe kilo mashe?
Duro.
O ma duro kilo nduro fun? Oko. Toko ba wa nko? Wole lo. O seun Akanji. And how was your experience this morning riding your bike?
Good.
Good? Okay. That's very nice. Would you like to ride your bike tomorrow again?
Yeah.
Okay. Tomorrow we'll be getting you a new bike, a bigger one, because this one is too what? This bike is too what for you? It's too small? Or it's big? It's small. Okay. And what are you trying to do now? You trying to park your bike? Okay. Aha. Easy, easy, easy. Easy. Okay, good. Are you not going to lock your bicycle? No. Don't you think someone will steal it?
Yes.
You think so? And why are you not locking your bike?
Because I don't have
Because you don't have what?
this thing for locking for bike.
Oh, you don't have this thing for locking the bike. Okay. Okay, that means we are going to buy one, right? Okay. Let's go. Say bye-bye to people.
Bye-bye.
And don't you love them?
Yes.
Okay, how do you tell them that you love them? I love you.
love you.
I love you. Okay, bye.